बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तकदीर के पाबंद हैं नबातात व जमादात। तकदीर के पाबंद हैं नबातात व जमादात। मोमिन फ़कत अहकाम इलाही का है पाबंद। व्हाट इज अहकाम इलाही? खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली। खुदा ने आज तक उस फर्द की हालत नहीं बदली, न हो जिसको ख्याल खुद अपनी हालत के बदलने का। हालत का बदलना, हालत का बदलना, वो सहर जिससे लरजता है शबिस्तान वजूद, वो सहर। They are not common mornings. It was the morning of the time of हजरत बिलाल हबशी। वो सहर जिससे लरजता है शबिस्तान वजूद, होती है बंदाए मोमिन की अज़ां से पैदा। होती है बंदाए मोमिन की अज़ां से पैदा। मोमिन की अज़ां, वो अगर खुद निगरो खुद गरो खुद गीर खुदी, डेडिकेशनल स्पिरिट। वो अगर खुद निगरो खुद गरो खुद गीर खुदी, ये भी मुमकिन है कि तू मौत से भी मर ना सके। ये भी मुमकिन है कि तू मौत से भी मर ना सके। माय ऑल रेस्पेक्टेड ऑनरेबल ऑडियंस, I am grateful to Dr. Kamran Sahib who has given me the chance to say something before you, and you are assist to me, because there are two things. Number one is the speaker. Number one is the speaker, and number two are the audience, listeners. What is teaching? Teaching is listening and teaching, learning and teaching. Dr. Kamran Sahib has said, previously it was written on the library of Karachi University, the readers are leaders. Now in the time of electronic media, listeners are the best leaders. One who does not have the sense how to understand listening, he does not have any sense how to speak, how to write, how to understand, how to express, how to impress. It was very difficult for him. So the important thing is how to listen very carefully, very attentively, very concentratively, with full heed, without any distraction. A person can be understand. A person can understand so many things if he is very much serious, very much sincere. He has the internal pleasure to listen to. Internal pleasure. Internal pleasure, I mean to say the passion, your passion. The things which are very much near and closer to you, and you are interested to express them for the benefits of the both worlds, this world and the hereafter world. A person must not be a rahib. No. A person must be a mujahid. There is a big difference in rahib and mujahid. Rahib, they say Allah, 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 Allah in sitting one corner where there are no khalqe khuda. This is not liked in Islam. What is liked in Islam? Mujahidana zindagi. There should be interaction. To help hukukul ibad. Hukukullah is another thing. Hukukul ibad is the real thing. करो मेहरबानी तुम अहले ज़मीन पर, और खुदा मेहरबान होगा अर्शे बरी पर। बहुत ज़्यादा बातें हो चुकी है। मैं डॉक्टर कामरान साहब का मशहूर हूँ कि आप लोगों के सामने कुछ खूबसूरत बातें अल्लाह पाक ने मुझसे कहलवा दी। जज़ाकल्लाह, थैंक यू।